Here we have the Hidden Gems pack for Grind Machine 2. It's a collection of impulse responses and new amp models here. Here's a webpage for the Hidden Gems amp pack, which you can get from Audio Assault. Take a look at what is included. Of course, this requires Grind Machine 2, 11 preamp channels from 4 different amps. You can read through this yourself, of course, but just taking a quick look at it there. Very good. Back in the Pro Tools here. What happens is whenever you install this pack, it will install your new preamps into your Grind Machine 2 location. Same thing for your impulse responses. All right, so you get several new impulse responses there in this pack. Then, of course, you can access those right from within Grind Machine 2 under the Hidden Gems folder here. So let's take a quick look at it there. Here's one of the clean preamps that's included. Of course, I have our 9-string guitar strapped on right now. And obviously, you can take advantage of your tight switch. Of course, turn that pre on or off. Of course, your impact knob for your impulse responses. All right, let's put this up here for now. Just real quick, just so you can sort of see what you get with it. And of course, just as we did in the previous videos, you can of course cycle through your new Hidden Gems impulse responses and amps with your arrows there. Overdrive, turn it down a little bit. Change my pickup. I'm not going to go through every single amp that you have here in the Hidden Gems, but you can see here what you have. And of course, from that webpage, you can get a little bit more information on them for your amps and of course for the impulse responses too. You get some really grindy, dirty sounds in this. It's not just basic sounds. You can get some really creative sounds from this as well. And they all sound really good. They don't have that really over the top, hairy top end that's hard to dial out. They sound really good, actually. Impulse response or your impact knob there. With a clean, crunch, of course. Change your different cabinets. It's a really almost black metal sounding here. It's actually pretty cool there. That's pretty cool too, especially for of course, don't forget to change all of your different parameters to suit whatever you want. Change the amp again. That's pretty cool. The clean one there. Change that. Pull this up. More mid there. And pretty cool. Turn that down. Numbered green. That's clean again. Right. Change that. Go to the orange. Change my pickup again. Change the cab again. That's pretty cool. You can see some information about those impulse responses and whatnot. And as you can see down here, if you're looking for more of the same, you may not find it here. But if you're looking for, to really create tones of your own, you've come to the right place. So these are some pretty cool sounding impulse responses and amp models there. Different, different stuff that's nice to have around. It's cool that you can access all of this right from within Grind Machine 2. And of course, we have all of our our Grind Machine 2 amps and impulse responses that come with Grind Machine 2. And of course, as I showed in a previous video, you can always load up your own impulse responses right within Grind Machine 2 as well. But this is a pretty cool expansion. Let's go to the next. Very black metal there. All right. And I should probably try out the 8th string and the 9th. One thing that's pretty cool about Grind Machine 2 and this Hidden Gems pack. Sounds great with 8 and 9 string guitars. So here's 9. It comes through nice and clear. Change the cab there. Next one. Of course, your impulse responses, as I've previously mentioned, your impulse responses and of course the amp, you know, they're going to sound dramatically different depending on what you have selected. Right? That's a really cool one there. That one's kind of loud. Turn it down a bit. Maybe adjust some of the mid there. 2. More presence, less bass, more or less gain. And of course your impact control. Hear that? You can feel the power of that 9th string. And you can also actually tell I'm changing notes. It's not just, you know, blah, 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 blah. You know how some 9 strings just sound like basically farts. But you can actually tell what you're playing here. And if you really jack up that gate, you can get really genty with it as well. All right. Went through about all of our cabs. Of course, we didn't test them with every single amp, you know, back and forth, because that would take hours, you know, to do all of the, you know, possible combinations. But this is a pretty cool addition here. That's nice to have within Grind Machine 2, the Hidden Gems pack. That was cool. All right, so that is the Hidden Gems pack for Grind Machine 2.